Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best cheap golf irons. After hours of researching, we have selected these best cheap golf irons and ranked them based on a few criteria like quality, price, durability, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure to subscribe for more reviews like this. So without any delay, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Wilson Launchpad 2022 Iron. The wide sole of the 2022 Launchpad irons, which helps to achieve smaller, shallower divots and rescue a heavy impact by holding the leading edge up, provides maximum forgiveness through the turf, and gives them the hollowness of a metal wood for speed. To move more weight lower in the head for increased launch, the back wall of the iron has been thinned considerably. It's the perfect iron for new golfers and high handicappers who have trouble predicting where the ball will make contact with the ground. It easily launches the ball into the air while maintaining good distance in a forceful, strong feel. The Launchpad provides an easy-to-hit iron for golfers who desire it. It's a fantastic starting option for individuals who are new to the game. And if their skill level has increased, they can go to something more conventional in style. The purpose of buying: looks that inspire confidence, faster and easier to launch, effective at lessening the effects of powerful blows. Conditions to avoid: wide soles restrict the progression of ball striking, will appear overly bulky to some. Number 2. Tour Edge Exotic C722 Iron. With the C722, Tour Edge aimed to produce an iron that would look and feel appealing to even the pickiest player while still offering remarkable speed, launch, and forgiveness. And that objective has been achieved. The compact blade lengths, medium top lines, and slight offset of the C722 irons give off a confident look that handling the ball and regulating trajectory won't be a problem. The C722s distinguish themselves in terms of the game improvement performance features they also offer, despite the fact that they look fantastic at address. With a marrying steel club face and exceptional perimeter weighting provided by their hollow body design, they deliver a high launch and excellent ball speed stats. This increases the sweet spot and increases distance. The Tour Edge C722's Diamond Face VFT technology, which divides the club face into tiny diamond-shaped portions of variable thickness to enhance outcomes from hilt to toe, also protecting ball speed on mishits. The purpose of buying: clean, traditional appearance at the playing position, outstanding ball speed stats. Conditions to avoid: gapping concerns could be caused by loft configuration. Number 3. Cobra Air-X irons. Golfers with decreasing strength and financial resources may benefit most from the lightweight Cobra Air-X irons. A lighter club head design results in a 2-gram weight reduction and a 6-gram lighter grip, with a 41-gram standard size, and a lighter and softer rubber composition enhances feel, making these irons appear easy to hit and raising the pleasure level. When it comes to launch and flight, the set's deep undercut cavity, low profile form, and higher lofts all contribute, while the weight's low and broad placement boosts stability and forgivingness on off-center hits. Additionally, there's heel bias weighting, which adds more draw bias for players who suffer from a slice. Definitely give this iron a try if you want to upgrade without going over your budget. The purpose of buying: swinging seems effortless, plush appearances. Conditions to avoid: not offered in a single length. Number 4. Wilson Staff D9 Irons. We believe it is only appropriate to include the Wilson D9s in this guide given the performance on offer from such an attractive iron. The power hold technology, which helps keep ball speed high throughout the face, while the small face and large sweet spot aid with forgiveness, allowed us to test the D9 and discover that it offers tremendous distance and forgiveness. The D9 will still produce greater carry distance than most irons, and it was one of the longest we tested at the time. The iron's clean, classic appearance at address is crucial. The large sole and generous top line width also exude confidence. The purpose of buying: suitable for a variety of players, plus an explosive range. Conditions to avoid: it could take some getting used to the lightweight sensation. Number 5. Cleveland Launcher XL Halo Iron. The Launcher XL Halo irons from Cleveland are believed to aid in the development of a more reliable strike. The mid to short irons have V-shaped soles to more effectively cut through the turf for smoother contact, while glide rails on the long irons provide great turf interaction to help you square up to the ball at impact. A new 8 weight has been added to the end of each grip, improving balance, control, and smoothness without adding unnecessary effort. Cleveland is also offering a new accuracy build, a bespoke design that is half an inch shorter without counterbalancing to emphasize on maximum control, if precision is what is wanted above all else. This iron is obviously simple to swing quickly and has good distance and accuracy, similar to the Wilson launch pad. Additionally, it costs less than a lot of other popular models. The purpose of buying simple launch option to shorten the specification for more accuracy. Feels natural to swing quickly. Conditions to avoid. The bulky looks won't appeal to everyone. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please like and share the video. And also make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions at all. I hope to see you guys in the next video. See you later, guys.